plants are coming up. I gotta come in here and pull out some of these weeds, like right here. I'll get all into it. Everything's still wet. It rained last night. Downpour. We got the mint coming up. Yep, that's all mint right there. And it spreads all over. These are growing. The deers got to this one. I found that on the floor, and they got to this one. They pulled this right out. It feels good to see things growing again. Feels like we had the longest winter ever. So, yeah, see, we got these things growing. This is coming back to life. I don't know if this is, I don't know if I gotta clip this. It's dark, the wood. I don't know. I have to redo research and look. Maybe I have to move it. I don't know. And we got another one over here. I don't know what. This one's all chewed out. Hopefully it'll grow. Oh, let me show you the other ones. All right, so got purple ones over there, and these ones right here growing. Yep. This is a little rose bush. I think it's a climbing one. So I put it here last year. Hopefully it'll climb up this trellis. I don't know. We'll see. Hey. I gotta come in here and pull some more weeds out. These are growing nice. Get a better view. Yeah, they're coming up nice. Oh, okay. I see the buds. I didn't think they were gonna come out. I thought this was dead. But this is coming back nice. Well, I hope everything comes back. We'll see. Like I said, I think out of everything I planted, I'm hoping 100% of it comes back, but I'd probably say like 70% will come back. I'm still over here working on this area, guys. This area has a lot of, they're right here. So what I do is I collect them and I put them in here. Put them in there for now. And there should be more. I don't know what I'm gonna put in these buckets yet, but I gotta put something colorful. But it's gotta be able to stay in the shade. See this, I don't know what this stuff is glowing here, but I know what this is. I'll throw some more in here just for now, until I figure out. Because there's a lot of these. There's a lot of them. Figure it out. This area is gonna be a little challenging. Is that then eventually I'll get on this area. Not this year, that's for sure. But I don't know what's growing here. It looks like lilies. Looks like a bunch of lilies. I'll figure out where to plant this stuff when I get a chance. And my chipmunk just finished his house there. I saw him today in there. But leave this here. All right, guys, so this is what I'm doing today. I want to pull all the weeds out, probably move the rocks, and just fix this whole area up. I'm tired of all the weeds in there. It needs it. I gotta fix that. I had an issue there with the pool a couple of years ago. I'm gonna be on my hands and knees pulling this stuff out. So I'm definitely gonna time lapse this because it's gonna take a while. All right, guys, let me get ready. spikes saw it, but I took out the border for now. And we're gonna fix this up. So I'm saving the spikes right here. All right, let's continue. Let me give you a fast walk around. So I'm up to there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw borax in there, put plastic, and then throw, I don't know, the rocks back, dirt to hold on the plastic, and then I'm just gonna mulch it. All right, so let me get the rest of this. I don't know how many more battery life I have, but I'll leave it recording until it dies. All right. All right, this is a continuation from the last video. I had to stop because of the rain. It was pouring. But this is what we got done so far. I put everything back. I ran out of plastic. The rain. Raining a lot. So I'm gonna cover this all in with, I think I'm gonna use rocks. I'm not sure. Rocks or mulch, whichever is the cheapest way to go. But like I said, I'm tired of weeds in there. I know you can't prevent weeds, they'll always come. I don't care what you do, there'll always be weeds. But and I'll also extended it a little bit more. So, and I ran out of rock stuff there, but it's all right. I'm gonna get more rocks and fill it in. All right, let me go inside. I'm getting wet.